thing, motherfucker.
I'm testing you, honey. I'm testing you. Seeing if you were gonna go crazy in the mukbang. If I let the food in the mukbang. Welcome to the first ever dog and human being mukbang. We got spaghettis. Huh? Meatballs, huh? Look at you, huh? Look at you. We got chips for dogs. We got iced teas. Look, I even got a little saucy for you, huh? A little wine. If you back that thing up. If you back that thing up. You want a little bit? Alright. And I got 2 big steak sandwiches. So you can have a piece too, honey. Here, what you want? You want a piece of that? You want a piece of that? Now that shit's hard. I think I left it in the microwave too long. Here, you can have it. Oh, here we go. Let me shut my mouth. I get too excited. That's good, baby. Hey, you want this? Come with it. They want to see you. Look at a little cutie. My little rat. I don't even know if anybody out there has done a mukbang with their dog, to be honest. I never heard of it. Kind of thought about it right now. Just a little bit ago, and I was like, oh shit, we could do a mukbang since I'm hungry. You want to eat it? One piece of this. This steak is good. Let me see what type of steak it is. I literally put both of them on a plate for I think it was like 2 minutes, and then I put the other one for like a minute and a half. It says it's done in 2 minutes. And then you might flip it and put another minute. You want this one? So it's called Fast Fixin' Restaurant Style Country Fried Steaks. Beef patty fritters with gravy mix. There's a gravy mix inside, but I didn't use it because I was making a sandwich. Making a sandwich. I was making a big sandwich. Hello, sandwich. We have sandwiches. Yeah, we could go to the beach, honey. Yeah, we go to the beach, put a cooler on the beach with some chips. You get some cameras. We get your flip-flops, extra jeans, and we could get some, what was it? I forgot what it was. Some sandwiches. Sandwiches, yeah. I love sandwiches. I love eating sandwiches. And you can put sandwiches like this and eat them. Yeah. Come here, baby. You want another piece? You have to eat it right here. You have to eat it right there, Kai. You gotta be on camera roll. Some mukbang. You ain't never done no mukbang, sister? humans be acting like they ain't never done no mukbang. Actually, this is like my second one. I'm a rookie. But I'll fuck your bitch. Oh, let me get that. Oh, let me get that. Oh, you want that? Huh? Well, baby, you want this big old Texas, huh? This big old Texas steak, huh? Look at you. And you wanna buy that? I got some of these. I don't give it too much of this, but like one will be fine. I like how she eats. My little rat. Yeah, she be fucking trying to sneak shit out my plate sometimes. I come back and the legs flipped over. Like, huh? This one over here eating. You're gonna have to come over here for that. Go get that. Go get that. Go get that. You got it from my sandwich. Come here, baby. I don't want to give you too much. I don't want to get too many sandwiches, and then you shit all over my bed. She literally threw. I have to wash the sheets. You threw up on my bed today, baby. You okay? What is that? You got something in your eye. Yo, let me kiss you, dog. You want that, you know you want that, but yeah, I'll give you a little bit of this piece. If you get it off my damn dog. So yeah, I was about to watch something on Netflix, and I didn't want to let you guys down. Tinkie's always there, but I'm the one that's gotta come through. And so I try to come up with things that I could do for you guys on a Tuesday, but when Tuesday hits, it's like you gotta do a certain activity, and I've been busy lately. And she's just a dog. You can't fucking. Come on, you're gonna make me money on YouTube. Yeah, let me get that. Oh, you. I got your little chicken, huh? You know you want that? What that? Oh, hey, okay, here. We can't be like, oh, you're a cash cow. Entertain the YouTube masters. She's just a dog. We're like on episode fucking 10 or something, 11. She's gonna do episodes till she's in the ground. I mean, she's the realest. My favorite, baby. Come here. Hell no. Get your. Oh, we're almost done, baby. Come here. Just stay here. Jesus fuck. Take it. check it. I'll check it over here. I think that's cute. She's gonna have a good old shit. I never give her milk like that. I'm about to just give her a little bit, not too much. I mean, it's already too much, but that's it. A little bit more. That's it, baby. I don't want you to get sick. Okay? I see you already turning into a zombie. Another piece? That's it? She's like, I'm done. You done, huh? Anything you want to tell him, baby? That's it? Love you. Love you, baby. Go, you go. You go down here. Stay wherever you want to stay there. Let me finish this shit. What about this? You want spaghetti? Huh. I hope you guys enjoyed this little bit, this little small mukbang, eating sandwiches, because I love sandwiches. So stay tuned. We try to do this every Tuesday, but I have a show called Underground Kitchen. I do like 2-3 shows a week. It's hour long shows. I do skits and mini movies and everything, so stay tuned, the music. So stay tuned. Sit, baby. Done. Let me get a hug, baby. Let me get a just a little show of affection just before. Just a little something. Just give me that's good enough. So bye.
Tinkie Tuesday, motherfucker.